Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to get the cosmetic behind the bookshelf. Today, I'm going to be showing you. Okay? Let's get started. Okay, let's load it. You have to have 1,000 banana to get into the book room thing. Okay, I'll tell you where to get the cosmetic. I already have it. Yeah, I gotta get in public real quick. Oh yeah, I'm thinking. Oh, broken. I think my game crashed. Okay, you need to get the book.
I'm gonna get. But my boy, bro, tell me why you brought a booty monkey to a prom so it doesn't get this. No, that's what everybody did. Looking at my playing, boy.
It's in the mystery. And it's 1,000 bananas. And when you get your book,
you guys can dance to this.
you wanna go back.
What the fuck are you, Yappuccino, bro? Who had a Yappuccino here, bro?
Blue books. You wanna put it and
I don't care.
it opens.
I don't
Come over here.
honestly, who cares?
Chest.
What? You not be talking, bro. You were just like
You have it.
5 minutes ago.
And that's for this video. Don't forget.
Not the furry Nah, bro. The furry's so dumb that the furry swallowed the forces fucking call themselves the Dragon Warrior. Got you.
Came into